Paano mo nga ba malalaman kung kanino ka mag-e-enroll? And I'm going to answer this question in such a way na parang hindi ako nag-offer ng class or courses for freelancing, okay? Hi, Mary here. Everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong video so pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelance or virtual assistant or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. And you might have noticed na hindi ko ginamit yung karaniwang hook ng ibang tao na sasabihin hindi mo kailangan mag-enroll sa class para maging freelancer. But that is true. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-enroll sa courses or classes kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer. The only reason why you would want to enroll sa mga classes or courses about freelancing is either because one, you need a more structured or guided path kung paano nga ba ikaw makaka-transition to freelancing, and two, gusto nyong mag-upskill and you want to learn from someone who's been doing it already for years. And speaking of looking for someone who's been doing it for years, yun yung dapat na tinitingnan nyo. Hindi yung certificate provided, may one-on-one baton, hindi ganon. Kasi hindi ako nahingan pa ever ng certificate na marunong ako sa isang bagay. I just show clients na I can do it. And during discovery call, I'm able to ask questions that makes them feel and think that I am the right person for the job. So, when you are looking for, halimbawa, ikaw naman ay Heidi personality go-getter ka, sa desk personality Heidi ka. Matik yun, you are a go-getter. So, if you put yourself and your mind to it, matututunan mo siya. I-combine mo pa siya sa halimbawa, kinesthetic learner ka naman. So, you just have to do your due diligence. Kailangan lang napagtuunan mo talaga ng pansin. Kailangan talagang interesado ka lang doon sa subject kahit hindi ka na mag-enroll. Now, meron kasing mga audio or visual learner wherein natututo sila by watching. And one of the challenges na hinakaharap nitong mga taong to is pag pumunta sila sa YouTube, nag-type sila ng keyword, hindi na nila alam kung anong uunahing panoorin. To a point na sa sobrang dami na nung information na nakukuha nila, hindi na nila alam kung saan magsisimula at kung ano nga ba yung end goal nila. So, if kayo yung tipo ng tao na you need something that's a little more structured, saka kayo maghanap na nag-o-offer ng classes or training. Next, when it comes to legitimacy of the course, I think marami namang nag-o-offer ng course na legit talaga na nagtuturo. I think a more appropriate question to ask would be, is this something that I can learn for free? And if I can learn this for free, where? Ganon. I have so many videos here dito sa TikTok. Kino-cross-post ko rin siya sa social media accounts ko like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, na nagpapakita kung saan kayo pwedeng matuto ng freelancing for free. As a matter of fact, if you go to my profile, tapos click nyo tong link na to, it will open this page. Dun sa may bandang baba, you will see their free resources. And sunod-sunod yun, susundan nyo lang. Ang dami nang nakahanap ng trabaho just by using yung free resources na pre-provide ko. Kasi well-structured naman yan at ginaya na yung napakaraming tao dito sa TikTok. Also, yung mga gumaya nung ginagawa ko sa buhay, bigyan nyo naman ako ng credit where credit is due. So, when you enroll or when you join training courses or classes, what you want to look for is someone who has been doing it for years. Someone na ito talaga yung ginagawa niya sa mga clients niya. Someone who can show na ito talaga yung, ito siya. So, ang binabayaran mo, hindi na yung training, hindi na yung course, kung hindi yung expertise at time ng tao na magtuturo. You are paying for, hindi nga siya shortcut you are paying for someone to show you their strategy sa kung saan matututo ka, and pwede mong gamitin as like a jump off point or starting point. If you guys are looking to learn freelancing, if you're looking to learn a specific skill set that you can offer as a freelancer, you want to look for someone who already have the results that you are looking for. And this also applies sa lahat ng iba pang aspeto na gusto mong matutunan sa buhay. You want to be mentored by someone who's been doing it na meron ng napakitang result. Hindi lang dun sa mga social media accounts nila, kung hindi dun sa mga clients talaga nila. Sana makatulong to. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!